Hi, I'm Libby from AV 24/7. We've been welcoming so many people to our studios over the past few months, providing virtual events, digital content, music events, and many, many more. So we wanted to take this opportunity to provide you a behind-the-scenes tour of what to expect when you join us for your next virtual event. We have 3 studios at AV 24/7, one in Melbourne, 10 minutes from the CBD, one in the city of Sydney CBD, and here we are in our Caringbah studios. So let's take a look through. At AV 24/7, health and safety is of the utmost priority. All of our staff and business operations adhere to all of the COVID-19 safety policies set out by the Australian Government. So you can rest assured that your staff and guests are in safe hands. As you can see, our control room is completely separated from the main studio area. It has its own entrance, which means that our professional team can deliver your content whilst maintaining a safe distance. Professional presenters will feel right at home here at Studio 24/7. With our auto cue, multi-camera setup, professional lighting rig, and live preview monitors, perfect for broadcasting in guests from all over the world. But don't worry, if this is your first time or you're not quite comfortable in front of a camera, our professional and experienced production team is here to support you every step of the way, ensuring a professional outcome each and every time.